Have you seen 20-year-old guy with fancy car and claims to be a millionaire? He who enjoys luxury vacations, girls, party and whatnot. How true is that? Even I don't know. Hello and welcome to the next move with Achyut. I'm Achyut. I am a freelance performance marketer. My motto from this podcast is very simple. It's to make your next move the best move. In today's episode, we are tackling two significant misconceptions often spread by influencers that can be misleading, especially for the younger audience. These are demeaning jobs, the narrative that working traditional job is somehow inferior to the freelancing and starting your own business. And the second one is becoming a millionaire in your 20s. The unrealistic portrayal of wealth and success by influencers, often showing fancy cars, luxury hotels, luxury vacations, suggesting that anyone can achieve this lifestyle quickly and easily. Let's start with the first topic, that is demeaning jobs. In recent years, there has been a significant push by influencers and content creators encouraging people to quit their jobs and start freelancing or business of their own. While entrepreneurship and freelancing can be rewarding, it's crucial to understand that working a traditional job is not inferior. Jobs provide stability, consistent income, and often come with benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, opportunities for growth and development within an organization. They also offer a structured environment for you to gain and learn valuable skills, gain experience, and to build a professional network. Not everyone wants or needs to become an entrepreneur or a freelancer. Many people find their fulfillment, success, and achievement while working for a company. So they are very much satisfied with what they're doing. And it's very important for us to understand that success is very subjective and very personal. For some, it might be climbing a corporate ladder, but for others, it might be building your own business or freelancing. But the point that I want to make is both paths are valid and valuable. Demeaning jobs is not only disrespectful, but it also is very misleading. It creates an unnecessary divide and pressure in the mind of people, that making them thinking that entrepreneurship is the only way to success in life. But the reality is we need people in all facets, in all kinds of roles to keep our society functioning smoothly. Now let's move on to the second topic, that is the dream of becoming a millionaire in your 20s. Many influencers and content creators flaunt luxurious lifestyle and showing off fancy cars, expensive vacations and hotels and high-end living. They often attribute their success to being a college dropout or taking unconventional path, suggesting that anyone can achieve this level of wealth and success quickly and easily. While it's true that some individuals like Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and Steve Jobs have a college dropout and have become incredibly successful and built a business which has spread like an empire, and they had dropped out of college, but they are an exceptions and not the rule. These outliers have made it to the headline are very tiny in fraction. Not all college dropouts have become that successful. Only the tiny fraction of them have made it big. For every one of these success stories, there are countless numbers of college dropouts who have struggled or failed. The harsh reality is that most people will not become millionaire in their 20s. Building wealth takes time, effort, and a bit of luck, to be honest. It's important to have a realistic expectations and to not to get swayed by these glamorous portrayals in the social media. The FIRE, which is like the financially independent and retirement early movement, while might seem appealing, but it's not practical for everyone. It requires significant discipline, sacrifice, and even a high income from a very early age. It is essential to understand that achieving financial independence is a long-term goal that needs careful planning and realistic expectations, along with risk management. To the younger audience who are listening, it's crucial to have dreams and big ambitions, but it's equally important to stay grounded and face the reality. Not all the successful entrepreneurs or influencers that you see in YouTube or anywhere, they might be successful, they might be a millionaire, the 20s, but don't always look up to that. Stay. I'm not asking you to not follow your passion or not to have big dreams. Instead, what I'm trying to say is that have realistic expectations. Don't waste your energy to get what the others have. Whatever money you have, don't try to buy this iPhone, MacBook or cars, bikes just to showcase in social media. Because I just want to tell you that these things which you do to buy some expensive items might look cool initially, but these are the reasons why you will not be a wealthy person in your life. Strive for success, work hard and pursue your passions, but do so with a clear understanding of the challenges and the efforts that is needed for that. Thank you for tuning into this episode of The Next Move with Achyut. Remember, there is no single path to success. There are multiple paths. You have to choose the path which aligns with your goals, which is practical, which is realistic. It can be traditional job, it can be freelancing, it can be building a business from scratch. But do pick the one which suits you the best and works for you the best. And don't go with the what social media or other influencers are showing off. With this, you might feel that you want to know something realistic part of it. I have already made a video of how a workation looks like for a freelancer. It's a very simple video, how simple the life is. It's nothing fancy, but if you want to see something like that, just check out this video right next. And follow me on YouTube if you are not following me yet. Subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more such videos on self-growth, marketing, business development. And until next time, make your next move the best move.